With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that cell arises from pre-existing cell was stated by, right? So if we talk about the option, so the option A says Haeckel, right? So Haeckel was the scientist, right, who proposed new notions, right, new notions of evolutionary descent, right, who proposed the new notions of evolutionary descent of the human beings, right, of the human beings, right? So we can say that this is not going to be the correct answer, right? Then the second statement says Warsaw, right? So yes, Warsaw gave this statement, right? Warsaw basically stated that cell arises, right? Cell arises from the pre-existing cell, right? Cell arises from the pre-existing cell, right? Where he stated in 1858, right? In 1858, basically, Warsaw stated omnis, right? Stated omnis cellula cellula, right? So this basically means that all cells, right, all cells come from cells, right? All cells come from cells. So basically this means that he stated that all the new cells arises from the pre-existing cell. So he explained it using the example of the amoeba, right? So as amoeba is a unicellular organism, right, or amoeba, it's a unicellular organism. So when the amoeba fully matures, right, right, so its nucleus first divides, right? So its nucleus first divide into two parts, right? And then the cytoplasm divides, right? Then their cytoplasm basically starts to divide, right? And when the complete division of the nucleus and the cytoplasm occur, right, then the one cell of the amoeba, right, or the single amoeba, it separates into two cells, right? So here these two cells, these two new amoeba, right, or the two new cells of the amoeba, they have arisen from the already existing cell, that is from the this one, right? So it was all stated by the Warsaw in 1858, right? Then and this statement, right, that cell arises from the pre-existing cell, it is basically a postulate of the cell theory, right? And this postulate of Warsaw made an addition to the earlier cell theory. Earlier cell theory had two postulates, and those were that all the organisms are made up of one or more cells, right? And cell is the basic unit of life, right? So this theory, this cell theory that consists of these two postulates, was given by the Skeldon, right? And then this statement that cell arises, or this postulate that cell arises from the pre-existing cell, was lastly added by the Warsaw, right? And if we talk about the Hooke, so Robert Hooke discovered the cell, right? He analyzed the cells of the cork, right? And he could analyze it as a honeycomb, or a structure that looks like a compartment, right? So he said those compartments as cells, right? So this was the discoveries done by the given scientist, right, as the options. So here we can say that the correct answer is option B, that Warsaw basically stated that cell arises from the pre-existing cell, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.